Why are so many people in love with wintergreen LED string lights? Simply put, it's because they're amazing. The bulbs are designed to emit remarkably vivid color. They are highly durable, and because they use so little energy, you can connect many sets end to end, which makes them ideal for both small and large light displays. They are a top choice for professional decorators and enthusiasts around the country. The light sets are designed with patented one-piece construction technology, which means there's no bulbs that can come loose, and there's no bulbs to screw in or replace. This eliminates moisture and corrosion from getting in to prolong the lifespan of the lights. They are so good, they even come with a 3-year warranty and an ENERGY STAR rating. LED string lights are available in multiple styles, including 5mm, G12, T5, M5, C6, C7, and C9. Wide-angle 5mm's are very popular because they emit a unique starburst light halo and are highly versatile and can be used just about anywhere. If you're looking for a more traditional set of string lights, you can't go wrong with classic T5 lights or diamond-faceted M5 lights, which are great on Christmas trees and other decorative greenery. Faceted G12 raspberry lights and C6 strawberry lights are great options for trees and bushes when you want slightly bigger bulbs for more saturated color. And for the larger bulb displays, faceted C7 and C9 LED string lights are the perfect choice for pathways, roof lines, and larger Christmas tree displays. Whatever your string light needs are, we have you covered. Now you know why people think our lights stand above the rest. If you're ready for quality lights that last, wintergreen lighting LEDs are the choice for you.